7b, we need to understand 7a. 7a, the final answer is equal to x squared plus 1 times 5x plus 1. So, this is 4.6, the whole question. So your question is then, how do I solve this in partial fraction? First, you have to understand power 4, power 3, it makes it what? Improper, right? Improper. Improper fraction means you have to do the long division. What? B already, huh? So, long and no choice lah, but so I look at 5x4. How do I get rid of 5x4? X is alone. Oh yeah. So it's not here, it's actually here. Now, so I then write down 5x4 plus x cubed plus 5x squared plus x. Minus the whole thing, 0. Minus 20x cubed minus 12x squared minus 16x minus 6. So 5x cubed 20 negative 20x cubed minus 4 minus 20x cubed minus 4x squared minus 20x minus 4 minus bracket the whole thing 0 minus 8x squared plus 4x minus 2. Now, once you have this, then you're ready to set up the partial fraction. No. So, 5x4 minus 19x cubed dot over 5x cubed plus x squared plus dot equal to, first is to write out the quotient. So then you write x minus 4. Next is to write out the remainder plus negative x squared plus 4x minus 2 over, don't 5x cubed already, so you change it to its fraction. Why? Because once you change it to its fraction, these two are the same. These two are the same, but once you change it to the fraction, then you can do partial fraction. I mean the brackets. This came from 7a, 7a. Now next, what do you have to do? Uh, this is the one that you are doing partial fraction. This is the one you are doing partial fraction. So you start let. So what do I get? A over x squared plus 1 plus b over 5x plus 1. Notice I refuse to write. Doesn't matter. If you write a over here, it doesn't matter. But why I stop here? This is a type what? C, right? It is a x squared by itself. There's no bracket. So then you must know that it is ax plus b. Then this is C. Like I say, if this is A, this is B, this is C, it doesn't matter. Because later you just put the alphabet back. Even you use PQR, it doesn't matter. If it's square, then here must be 1, x. If this is cube, then this must be square. So square, then x, then C, then D. Then after that, the next step is what? Still the same, remove the fraction, right? So I can Remember the bracket? When I was marking your work, some of you attempt to do simultaneous. Then you got stuck. So the best way is don't do simultaneous, make one zero. So the only one that can make zero is this, right? The only one that can make zero is this. So I say that x will be equals to, how to make it zero? Very simple. I will just write let phi x plus 1 be 0. Then do the necessary movement. You will get negative 1 over 5. You let it be 0, then you slowly work it out. So then you put it in, then you have something equals 0 plus c negative 1 over 5. Remember the bracket plus 1. Then straight away you find c equals to something. 2. Hey, you can compare. I don't like to compare. So putting it to 0 is always the fastest. Now, next you are stuck. Because x squared plus 1, there is no way you can make this thing 0. So the other way is to make ax 0. And the only way to make ax 0 is x equals to 0. So x equals to 0. Negative 2 equals b phi x plus 1. Yeah? So ax is 0. That's b. Then the other one, I'm looking for C answer. Negative 3. Sorry, your C is 1. Huh? Sorry. This is different. Your C is A. This is negative 3. So then plus negative 3, then this is 1. Nigel, what's your question? Eh, oh, this one will be 0. This one will be 0. So it's just B. Right? Just B. What? For C? You wrong, lor. You wrong. You have to put the negative 1 over 5 here, no? Then you square it, it become positive. Can you press this and show me? There's a left hand side, there's a left hand side. So, plus 4, here. This is wrong, is it? Yeah, negative 3 times 1, what? 0 plus 1 is 1, right? This is 0, what? 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Okay, so I pause the video here. Okay, so you need to understand that this is the final answer. The whole thing. The yellow plus the green. Therefore, many times when students find that the three things are, then they are very happy, they hashtag, then they miss out the final mark. So the final ones, some students will also put this as the final answer, again wrong, because this is the remainder. So this is the final answer. So how do I write the final answer? So I write 5x 4 minus 19x dot dot dot. Then this one 5x cubed plus x squared dot 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 equal x minus 4 plus ax minus 1x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 plus c negative 3 5x plus 1. This is the final answer. But this is not as good as if I were to erase this and put this as minus. This is even better. Because minus and plus like very strange, so there's a minus. Correct. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't. Still can, still can. This one is okay because there's a so another way to write is 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x. Then the minus don't interact with the plus. So this is the final answer. Must remember. Can. Cannot. You cannot put minus x outside. Cannot. Like that can. Like that can. Like that can. Okay. Can I pause first to see whether you all have any question? Otherwise, I can stop the video. If you have no more questions, then